Down a nice little dirt road here. It just looks like a nice, fun dirt road. So let's hit the trail. We're still breaking in the KLR. What better way to do it than getting off-road where it loves to be. That's how I see it. I've always seen this road, and I've looked at it through Google Earth, and I've always wanted to ride down it. There's a beautiful little waterfall at the end, so hopefully we can make it there and check it out. Watch out for them sharp rocks. Flying on my face. I think it's quite a few miles down this road actually, so should be a fun ride. Soft sand there. Oh, bother. Oi. A little squeakiness. Yeah, this is fun. Want to watch out for these jagged rocks. I don't have, I've just got the stock tires on this thing. So would hate to get a puncture. Another thing I don't have is a repair kit. So, kind of silly of me, but those items you gotta. Oh crap! Oh, almost lost it. That was sketchy. And that's why you go slow, especially when you're crossing the center. Man, that could have been bad. These are all ruts here, so either you ride in the center or you go into the rut and you stay in that rut. Don't try to come out of it. Oh, that got my heart beating. Last thing I want to do is put her down right now. Yeah, we got a little ways to go before we get to the waterfall. Man, look at this country. This is just wild desert. Wild desert lands. Back here in the Pacific Northwest. I feel like I'm a cowboy on my steel horse. I'm a cowboy. once we're at that bridge, that's where we want to be. That's where our destination is. I feel like my brakes are squeaking or something. We gotta stay in the single track. Once you're in it, you're in it. Once you're in the rut, you're in it. Man, this goes a lot further than I thought. But maybe this is the waterfall right here. We're coming up on the water. Not sure how much there is. Oh yeah, there's the bridge. Ah, sweet. Nice. Oh, nice. Looks really pretty, you guys. I don't know that you can see it yet, but oh, wow. This is where we stop. Look at that. Wow. That is so cool. Man. Look at that. I bet there's some fish down there. Definitely some fish down there. Just gotta find them. Wow. I could go for a swim right now too. I'm pretty warm. It's a hot day. Oh, there's birds down there. They must have their little nests under there. Not really sure if there's an area where we can walk down there. It's probably private property on that side. Though it does kind of look like people go that way. We've got a good enough view right now. I don't really want to go down there. Man, the bike looks good. Living it. Loving it, loving it. Look pretty cool. Well, my camera is about to die because I didn't bring enough battery. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little short ride of mine, and maybe we'll come out here another time, check things out. Have a wonderful day, everyone. God bless. Bye.